All right, guys. Yeah. Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club. Guys, I was out a bit. I did not get a chance to get some time to be with you guys. I've just checked into another hotel in Cape Town. This is Cape Town, guys. Cape Town. All right. We just checked into another hotel in Cape Town. This is Cape Town CBD, guys. This is the balcony. That's where I am. All right. If you look at that, you will see there is a southern sun. Southern sun is there. All right. That is the road that is coming from the convention center. All right. Heading to N2. They are going to the airport. Right. That road is going to the airport. And if you look here, another place, guys. Another place, right? Waterfront. Where's waterfront? Waterfront is that side. Yeah, that's that side. Waterfront. Waterfront. This hotel is such a beautiful place. Beautiful place. Beautiful place, guys. This is the lounge when you enter. All right. The lounge, this is the TV, right? I brought my things, I'm working from home. I brought my things. Here's my mic, my microphone. Here's my keyboard. Here's my small PC there. I plugged it on the TV, so I'm gonna be able to take to work. And here you've got such a nice, beautiful sofa. A nice, beautiful sofa. See how they did it, guys. It's such a nice, wonderful thing, guys. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful place to be. And they've got such a small thing there. I don't know what is this. It's a small table. Okay. And there's a charger there. They've got these two small sofas, right? Small sofas for two people. You can sit here as well. And then, right, this is a sitting area. It's for 6 people, right? You can sit for 6 people. And then, okay. And then, this is our bag. I love this chair. I love this chair, right? And then this is, my wife is unpacking. She's unpacking. She's actually putting, it's a self-catering. So we're putting, we bought some groceries, as you can see there. So she's packing them on the fridge, so we can be able to, wake up in the morning and have the fridge is such a nice. There's you put some meat already on down there, right, on the deep freezer, right?
Enough space.
Enough space, and then you can have, that's your kitchen, right? That's your kitchen. You can see there, right? It has got all these spaces as well, where you can pack your things there. And you've got a stove here where you can, we put our key there. There's got a washing machine as well. Washing machine, so you can be able to do washing as well. And then here's our coffee. We've got rooibos, and we've got hug in a mug, and there's another one, hug in a mug, right? So because of we love coffee, so you wake up in the morning, you make yourself some tea, all those type of things. Such a nice place, guys, to be in. And you've got some cupboards, where you can put your your cutlery, and then there, your spoons, big spoons, and all those type of things. What is in here? Okay, all right. There you have some other things that you can use as well. A plate, so forth, right? So the place is good. So let me quickly show you guys the rooms, right? The rooms. Let me quickly show you the rooms. So when you enter this side, right? And guys, I forgot to show you something. Also here, you can see here, there is 2 mirrors there, right? 2 mirrors there, and there's also some decorations, the books and stuff like that. They've got a TV, and they've got a DVD whatever. These are old stuff. We don't use DVDs. We don't use these things anymore. But anyway, it's good, right? And as you can see here, and my boy, and if you enter here, you enter into, Lavi, sorry my baby. You're entering, this is the kids room. Kids room, that's how it is. Kids room, you can see there, right? You've got 2 single beds. It's such a nice place, and with nice bedding. And then you've got those 2 things there. And there's also wardrobes for kids. Then when you move out from here, right, you're going out, you come into the kids' bathroom, right? This is the kids' bathroom, right? We've got beautiful hotels in Cape Town, right? Here's a nice shower. They've got nice towels as well. Nice towels as well for the kids, you know. And the shower is there. They can also shower as well. And there's a mirror there where you can actually, you know, see yourself, you know, after bathing, you know, you can go and do, and do yourself, you know, makeup and stuff like that, you know, and all those type of things. There's a dustbin there, there's a toilet there as well. And then here there is also a beautiful flowers. They put some decorations there. You know, that's where you hang towels and 2. Right. Then you come in here. You enter our room, the main bedroom. This is the main bedroom, guys. Main bedroom, right? And then you see here, you have the bathroom, right? This is the bathroom. You can bath here. While you're bathing here, your wife or your husband or boyfriend will be sitting there looking at you bathing here, right? And there is also some nice towels there as well, and also nice stuff as well here. This is a place. Now you've got a scale as well where you can scale, so you can weigh yourself and check yourself how big you are, how heavy you are. And this is a toilet, right? Toilet, guys. Such a beautiful place, all right? Toilet. Then we go out. Let's see the rooms. This is a shower, right? This is a shower. My shower, I'll be showering here, right? And you've got such also beautiful things here as well. And then when you go out of here, right, got a nice view, right? And you see our bed. This is our bed, main bedroom. Use the bedding. That's where the bed is, and so forth. Like I was showing you. It's also nice looking at this side as well. You can see the passage. You can see there as well. You know, lovely place to be. You know, such a wonderful place. I will let you know the name of this hotel once I've checked out, right? I'll let you know, right? So you guys can actually, I'll post a comment, I'll pin the name of the hotel once I've checked out, just for security reasons, because I don't want to post the name of the hotel while I'm here. It's always good. Save yourself, protect yourself. This is social media, but I'll post this once I've checked out, right? So guys, that's how it is. And here you've got such a nice table with a mirror there. You see that? Mirror there. So you see, I can sit here, guys, and be able to make up. Yeah. So that's how it is, right? You've got such a nice, and then you've got a nice, also nice, nice view when you go out. Nice view. Yeah. So guys, until then, we will talk again as time goes on, guys. I'll keep you updated. I normally don't. I normally sit home and make money, and I want to make money before I can travel. It's always better to make money. Since we came back from Italy last year, we didn't get a chance to post again. We did post some few, but today, here we are. All right, guys. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you guys again on our next video. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. All right. This is Love Delia.